Hi guys, we're going to learn some important current affairs, and that is about Qatar. Recently, Qatar has released 8 Indian ex-Navy defense personnel. They were arrested and they were sentenced to death after Indian government appealed to the appellate court. Their sentence was commuted to the life imprisonment on various uh, life imprisonment with the extending from few years of sentence to the life imprisonment. So it becomes very much important. We all also know that Qatar is a very important country as far as India is concerned. India imports huge amount of India gets huge amount of its energy requirement from the Qatar. So these are the reasons that we are going to learn about that. When you talk about why the Indians were arrested, these Indians were working for a private defense company in the Qatar. The company in the Qatar. The company name was Al Dahra. That company was responsible for the training the Qataris uh, defense personnel. The Indians were working as in the company in a various capacity to the highest level. After the arrest, there was reports in media that Indians were arrested for spying for the Israel. Means that the Indian were accused of providing the sensitive information of the Qataris navy to the Israel. So this was the charges. Although officially neither Qatar nor the Indian government provided anything substantial. When we talk about the Qatar and India, both the countries has very good relations, and uh, between India and Qatar, the most important uh, bilateral relation is about the energy requirement. India import a huge amount of petroleum and LNG from the Qatar, and when we talk about what India provides to the Qatar, India provides especially cereals, vegetable, plastic products, and steel. These are the Indian products which are exported to the Qatar. Qatar is also the largest supplier of LNG to India, liquefied natural gas, and India gets 70% of its natural gas from the Qatar. If when you talk about defense cooperation, in recent years, both the country is there is huge collaboration as far as defense is concerned, and both the countries conduct Jai Al Bahar exercise. It is a naval exercise between India and Qatar, and and if you talk about the Indian community, it is the largest community in the state of Qatar. So these are the few important facts about India and Qatar. Now we are going to look at the maps here. We know that Qatar is a very tiny country in terms of population and area, but it is a strategically located. It is located near the Persian Gulf, and beside that there is Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Iran, and UAE. We know that there is continuous Cold War situation between Saudi Arabia and Iran, because both the countries wanted to be seen as a leading Muslim powerhouse, and this is the reason that there is confrontation between Iran and Saudi Arabia, and these are the important facts about this. If you talk about Persian Gulf, it is a very highly sensitive area, because uh, most of the trade from the European countries come through the Indian Ocean. So this area becomes very much important, because if there is any instability in the region, it will cause havoc or create problem for the global trade. These are the important facts about uh, Qatar. And if you talk about capital of Qatar, its capital is Doha. And if you talk about the capital of UAE, Abu Dhabi. Iran capital is Tehran, and Bahrain capital is Manama. So these are the few important facts. Thank you.